Welcome back, everybody. Now we are at 12C, okay? Part C. And then we have this approximation in Part B already, okay? 1 plus, yeah. And then enhance that so that 1 minus 2, 1 minus 4, they can be approximated as this one. How to relate these two? Just different choice of alpha, right? For the first one, alpha is 2, so 2, 2. For the second one, alpha is 4, okay? So just substitute alpha equals 2 and alpha equals 4 to this approximate equation, and then combine them up to x squared term, okay, to show that it is approximate. So we do it step by step. First, hard working time. Really copy this thing down. First one is 2, 2, okay, 4, 4. And then don't expand them so quickly. We can do some simplification, not of cancellation. So do slowly. Cancellation. Yeah, you got it. Better than this one, right? And then you try to expand this one. Remember, just keep up to the x squared term. So for the first one, multiply this one with all the thing. And then multiply 2x with the first two term. And then multiply 6x squared with the first one only. So the result will be like this. See, 1 multiplied all the three terms. 2x multiplied 1 multiplied the x squared. And 6x squared multiplied the first one only. But this is approximation, so remember to have the approximation sign here. And then group them together because this is a song question. Group is slowly, please. Yeah, x, 2x, 3x, 2, 6, 8x squared. So it's 16 over 2, so 19 over 2. And then the same denominator, 2. And then you got the result. Excellent. So part C is done. I'm sure you can do it. So we talk about part D also. Part D is like this. They said that the series is conversion for AX smaller than 1. What is the restriction for this ring to be valid? Where's the restriction? Sometimes it's hard to understand. Where is the restriction? Can you see the restriction? No theory. The restriction is here. Alpha x is less than or equal to 1. So we have 2 alpha. So we have 2 restrictions. So 2x is less than or equal to 1. And also 4x is less than or equal to 1. We have 2 constraints at the same time. So which one is stronger? So move the 2 to the right hand side. You can see x is less than 1 over 2. And x is less than 1 over 4. Which one is stronger? Of course, smaller one is stronger, one less than. So combined together is this one. X, absolute x is less than 1/4, and then you can write out explicitly. So x is larger than negative 1/4 and smaller than 1/4. You got it. This part, not complicated, so again right here. Okay, I don't need to type it before. So we finished C and D, and we are now to the end of paper 1. Question 12E. Ready? Okay, let's see our next video.